Okay, so let's unpack this. We are diving deep into something pretty much every dev team wrestles with,
Yeah.
documentation tools.
Yeah.
Our mission really is to figure out which of the two big static site generators, Docusaurus or MkDocs,
Yeah.
actually delivers what your team needs.
It's a great comparison because, they tackle the same problem, but from like totally different angles.
Right.
You've got Docusaurus React-based, huge backing from Meta, and the sources show it's, well, more than twice as popular. That Meta support is a big factor, obviously.
And then the challenger, MkDocs, Python-based,
Yeah.
known for being like super simple and fast to set up.
Exactly.
But let's start with the powerhouse, Docusaurus. You said React-based. What does that actually mean for the user, for the docs?
Well, it's not just spitting out static HTML. It actually builds single-page applications, SPAs,
SPS, right?
and it uses this thing called MDX.
MDX, so Markdown plus components.
Pretty much. It lets you embed actual live React components right inside your Markdown files. Think interactive code examples, config tools, diagrams that change.
Oh, wow. So you turn the docs themselves into like a mini app experience.
Exactly. You're
Yeah.
making learning more dynamic, more functional.
That explains why huge projects, React Native, Temporal, Superbase, why they use it. It handles that complexity.
Definitely. And it's not just raw power, it's polished too. We saw folks like Kent Dodds loving the built-in dark mode.
Yeah, he called it his favorite new feature. And Paul Armstrong said it was a huge boon for their team.
That developer love often comes from features that, well, they just aren't standard elsewhere. Like built-in versioning is huge.
Oh, yeah, handling multiple versions of docs.
Right. And localization support is baked in, Algolia search too. If you need docs for V1, V2, and V3 all live at once, Docusaurus is kind of built for that.
Okay, but that power, that complexity, there's got to be a catch, right? A trade-off.
Yeah, the learning curve, it can be steep.
Right, so if my team isn't already deep in the JavaScript world, maybe Python-focused.
Then suddenly you're dealing with Node, NPM, the whole JavaScript toolchain just for your documentation. It's definitely more setup overhead.
Okay, so if Docusaurus is the feature-packed fortress.
Then MkDocs is like the super lightweight, easy-to-pitch tent.
Okay, a good contrast. So MkDocs, pure simplicity.
Totally. It's Python-based, so setup is often just pip install MkDocs. Dead simple.
No wrestling with node modules.
None of that. And everything's driven by a single, clean YAML config file. And crucially, it just uses plain Markdown.
So no framework knowledge needed. Anyone who can write Markdown can contribute.
Exactly. Zero framework barrier.
And it still looks good, right?
Yeah.
I remember seeing mentions of the material for MkDocs theme.
Oh yeah, that theme is incredibly popular. It makes MkDocs sites look really polished, very professional, right out of the box.
And the sources suggested it's like a really good fit for documenting back-end stuff, APIs, architecture.
Makes sense. The simplicity of plain Markdown often works perfectly for that kind of content. You don't necessarily need embedded components for API docs.
But that simplicity must have limits too.
For sure. It's a pure static site generator,
Yeah.
dynamic content, complex versioning, the deep localization Docusaurus offers. MkDocs isn't really built for that.
So no embedding interactive things.
Nope. It's static. You trade that dynamism, those advanced features for that absolute ease of setup and maintenance.
Okay, so let's bring it back to the decision. Both are doing docs as code, right? Markdown and Git, easy deploys.
Yeah, common ground there. Both deploy easily to GitHub pages, Netlify, places like that. The core workflow is similar.
So the verdict really it hinges on the team and the specific needs.
I think so. It boils down to your tech stack and skills. Need those advanced features, versioning, components, multi-language, and your team is okay with React and Node?
Then Docusaurus, even with the learning curve.
Right. But if your priority is just getting something clean up fast, minimal setup, maybe your team is Python-centric.
Then MkDocs, with its great themes, is probably the way to go. You just accept it's, well, simpler.
Simpler features, purely static content. Yeah.
Okay, makes sense.
There's one final interesting wrinkle. Both generate static files, technically, but Docusaurus being an SPA...
Right. Client-side navigation.
Exactly. Once it's loaded, moving between pages feels instant, seamless. MkDocs does a full page reload each time.
So that brings up a good question for you, the listener,
Yeah.
to think about.
How much are you willing to trade off that potentially faster, smoother user experience on the site itself?
For the developer experience of, simpler installation and easier maintenance on the back end, where's your priority?